Hello, welcome back to my channel Kritika Entertainment. Today I'll show you the practical of a malloc function. Okay. Whenever we do the malloc, we are not able to see what is the effect if we are not allocating the memory. Still our program is running. If also allocated, then also it is also running. But I'll tell you the difference. Why you use the malloc? That difference you can find in your dev C++, because in the Unix, in the Ubuntu operating system, if you are not allocating or if you are not assign the address to the pointer variable, then also it work. So now, but in dev C++, when you tell to your students, you refer to a dev C++, they will get the difference. That means the malloc function. So now I'll write the one program. So before that I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like and share. So here I will be write the program as include stdio.h. Okay, then as include malloc function exists inside the std library function, library header file, std library. Then I have write int main. So here declare char pointer name. Okay, name is a pointer variable. It is also declare string type, so it will take the input and store the string. Okay, so here what will do? So in the if you are using without a pointer, then I can write as give the size. Okay, name suppose 20. Though it is a pointer, we don't need to declare the size. Pointer is a variable which decides the length of the string at run time. So here I will be declare printf. Not I will give the name. I will be declare a ptr name. Okay, so name next what? Printf enter the name. Okay, so here what will do? I will be write scanf percentile t. Okay, then ptr name. Okay, so remember, then okay, then I want to display that name. Printf your name is okay, percentile s /n, then I'll be write down ptr name. Okay, then I'll be run this program. Okay, you see here I'll be save this. Okay, then here execute compile. Okay, no, you will not find any error. That means error 0, warning 0. That means it successfully compiled. Then type execute run or F10. Then I'll be enter name. My name is suppose Kritika. Press enter. You can find one error. malloc.exe has stopped working. Program cause the program to stop working. When you close the program, notify if it is solution available. Then I'll be closed because this program is not working. Okay, because this program, this ptr variable is not pointed to the any variable. So and I have not initialized the address to that ptr variable. So I want to tell you pointer variable can hold two types of address. Okay, first is static address, that means already declare the variable static address, or newly created address. Okay, so but we are not doing in between two, neither we initialize the static address nor newly created, so that it will be display the error. So if I will be now do the step 1, how to initialize the static address. Suppose here I have declared, okay, char name, okay, 10. Okay, so I have declared this variable, that means it is a size of 10. Now I will be initialize it, okay, name, so that I will be what, now store the name. Okay, that means this ptr pointer variable store the address of name. That means it is already static because I have initialized the size of 10. So now ptr name store the address of the name. So here I will be take the name, okay, suppose name, then I can show by using ptr name. Okay, then you see whether it is work or not. So here I will be, okay, execute, compiled, okay, successfully compiled, no error is there, so run. I am enter, suppose Kritika, okay, so then you can find my name is, so why it will display, I will show that, okay, name, then ptr name, enter the name, sorry, I have given here %s, okay, so I will do, first I will be initialize it. So, okay, so I have removed all these things, so I will remove this, then I will check again, okay, whether it is working with %s or not, okay, %s, then I will save it. By mistake I have written this, so compile, so here I will write the ptr name, okay, ptr name, okay, then I will check again with same program whether it is working or not. So compile, okay, then run. Okay, I have entered for Kritika. You can find also same error, it will be displayed. Okay, the same error. So I have by mistake written the %d, but still it is also, after written %, it is also same error display. So what will happen here? I have told you it will hold either static address, newly created address. So I am the, okay, remove this address, then char name I have written, % name. Then what will do? It will be store the address of name. Okay, so here I will be take the input of the name. Okay, I will take the input of name. Then your ptr pointer will hold the address of name. So I will be through display through the ptr name. Then see whether it is working or not. Yes, compiled. Then I will run. Okay, here are the Kritika. Have you seen? It will display the Kritika, because why? Because pointer is variable which hold the address of another variable. So this pointer variable hold the address of name. Name is static because already I have allocated the memory at compile time. So is it work? It is work. Okay, it is work because ptr name is name. Okay, so if you will not declare this, then we follow the newly created address. So I will be assigned the new address. How to create new address? Now I will be write here, okay, malloc function. You see this? Okay, so I have to tell you then why we use the malloc, because without using the malloc you cannot assign the address, new address to the ptr name. Okay, so here I will write ptr name, okay, is equal to, I will be cast character type char pointer, okay, then malloc, okay, then what, now I can write also here 10 character I want, okay, then size of, okay, char. These things you can also write, otherwise also you can give at a time 10 characters. That means this PTR name is expanded up to 10 bytes. That means it will store at least 10 characters. Okay, then enter name. Here you can write the PTR name, because the pointer is a variable which holds the address. Either it is a static address or it is a null address. So now we will check whether it is working or not. So before that, I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you have already subscribed, then comment and like and share it. Okay, so I'll run this. Okay, I'll be enter. So Kritika. Have you seen it? So I want to tell you, this is a simple program, but my program of view is what? Now some students are asking why you use the malloc function without using malloc. Is it work or not? Yes, is it work? But in Ubuntu operating, is it work? But it is to specify why we use the malloc. Without malloc, the program does not run. So go to the dev C++ and run this program. Then you can see the uses of a malloc, because without using the malloc function, the program will not run. So after using the malloc, then student know that we will be assigned some address or some memory location to that PTR name. Then now PTR name is ready to avail all the name from the keyboard. Okay, then it will display. Okay, so this is the uses of malloc function. Okay, if you are interested to see this type of program, then subscribe to my channel Kritika Entertainment. It is not a entertainment channel. It is also presents all types of teaching videos. Okay, bye. Thank you.